If you've been having a hard time trying to define your curls on shorter hair like this, then you've definitely come to the right video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to define your curls on shorter hair like this, the techniques needed that you guys should also know. I'll be showing and talking about wash care, which is the preparation before styling, and just some good products that you guys can use to get the best results after styling. Let's go. Alright, so to start, you always want to initially wash your hair with warm water to open up the cuticles. And make sure you rinse your hair very well to get rid of all that dirt and gunk that's been left in it. Each step in this video is very important, so make sure to take your time for each one. This is the conditioner we're going to use. Sorry, meant to say shampoo. We're not going to use too much since we don't have that much hair anymore. For anyone that's new that's watching, I just recently cut my hair off, so that's why I keep talking like this. So I believe this is my second time using this shampoo, and I like it a lot because it's a good moisturizing shampoo. It has a pretty thick consistency and it doesn't leave my hair feeling dry like most shampoos would. Make sure the shampoo is actually getting applied to the scalp because that's why we use shampoo, it's to clean our hair and scalp. So right here, I'm just massaging my scalp using the tip of my fingers and not my fingernails. Using your fingernails is very bad for you. It can cause cuts on your scalp and you wouldn't want that. But I recommend massaging once a week every time you do your wash and go. Here's something that most of you have not known before. It's important that you guys are shampooing your hair twice. This is crucial because the first shampoo gets rid of surface dirt and the second one actually cleans your hair and scalp. So now I am rinsing this out. My hair feels so soft, so amazing. I can't wait to use the conditioner. That shampoo definitely did its job well. Here's how the back looks. This is the conditioner I'm going to be using. As you guys can tell, it's almost done. So that should be your sign that this is definitely a good conditioner. I'm going to use about that much. That should be good. Just make sure it gets all around the head. Nicely and evenly saturated all throughout. When I used to have my long hair, I used to use a wide tooth comb like this. But I'm still gonna use it, see how it works. And if it doesn't work out, then I'll use something a little bit smaller, like a normal hair pick. But my hair is about at that length where I can just go like this and it should fully detangle. Seems like it's working pretty nicely. Wow, it's crazy how easy it is. Detangling went from taking 30 minutes to 30 seconds. Wow, this is crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this in for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and wash it out. All right, y'all, my hair feels super soft. That was the preparation before styling, and now we're gonna get into styling. I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna be using. It's this Eco Styler Gel. I've never used it before, so this would be my first time. So I can give you guys a truthful review. It's gonna be my first time using it, so yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my first scoop. We're gonna take a little bit more than that because I know I'm gonna need a good bit for this. Kind of has like a hotel smell to it, like an old hotel. It's not super thick, but it's thick enough. Not looking too bad right now. So I'm just gonna go in, kind of just like rake the product in right now. I'm kind of going like this upward motion, like this all around. And then also downward. So you kind of just mix up the techniques a bit. But they all work very well. With the sole goal of just getting the product into the hair. You can use any technique you want, it doesn't really matter. As long as everywhere gets nicely saturated with the product, you're good. I always have a problem with getting the back of my head, so I think I'm just gonna focus on that for now. the middle here still feels a bit dry, so we're gonna add some more gel to that. And here's what I like to do to get a more clean look. I like to add some gel to my haircut like this. Not a whole lot, but a good bit like that. Rub it in. Same thing on the other side. You'll see why I do this in a second. It gives the whole haircut just a more cleaner look. One technique that has never failed for me is just grabbing your product like so and then just doing this. I'm not sure what to call it, but like just do this all around the head and it just seems to work extremely well. So I've been doing this for years when I used to have my shorter hair, and I just remembered it for you guys. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. But that's before I line up my haircut. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. All right, so I grab a comb like this. Anything like that works. Now that the product has been nicely put on my haircut area, I just comb it down and then I just line it up like that. And it gives you just a more cleaner look, which overall helps the haircut to just look 10 times better. So yeah, we're gonna do that the same thing on the other side and then the top as well. Comb the front like that, and then just line it up as straight as possible as you can. And we are done. Just comb the back as well. And then I kind of just go in with my hands and kind of just fix up the shape a bit. I like a little bit more volume on the front, and then just kind of more clean on the sides and back. So I kind of just, you know, hide the hairs back there a bit. But yeah, this is what the end results are looking like. This is the back. And we're good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.